It's a grass type of season. We got Craftsman grass spreader for the 4-wheeler or tractor or lawnmower, whatever I meant to say. So it will roll the tires and it will spill at the same time. So let's put some seed in there, see what it looks like. That's way more fun doing that than a lawnmower. Got big bag of seed and can take quite a bit. How many pounds is that in that bag?
50-pound bag.
50-pound bag. Usually they're 40. That's a big bag. Look, takes at least half or more. So I guess you want to fill it to the line or something?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Half a bag, easy. Oh, it locks it so it doesn't spurt it?
Yeah.
Does it lock it so it doesn't spurt it?
You can adjust how much throws out.
But right now, like, we don't want to spread it on asphalt.
Off and
So,
on.
oh, that's cool. Okay, let's see if it's off. Oh, I see. It just spinning still, but it just doesn't let the seed come out. Pretty awesome. Go kind of slow because I'm doing it for the video. Alright, and we can adjust how much it's going to spread. You can go a little faster. Yeah, it goes everywhere. Not bad. So that's a big yard. This is why we need a lot of seed. Cool. So we'll have to put some more. For a lot of yard you gotta have a lot of seed. Those seed are like so expensive now, but it's not bad. It's spreading quite a bit. I like that attachment. I might need it for my 4-wheeler.